See them. I like nature and them thing there, you know. I like, yo, them dog need to go easy now, you know. Cause them not bad. Them not bad. So we are set up, get ready for the star shoot. There's a night scene. Well, as you can see, a day. So when we get to the bridge we cross, I'm telling you in the film before, say sometimes things not shoot how you think you would have get shot, you know. Sometimes the last scene of the movie, I will then shoot first. And then look at things in a shot in a sequence. So we're gonna shoot what can be shot now. Maybe by later we get the opportunity to shoot the night scenes. If not, you have to go, as them say, camera trick it. Fix it in post. Like look that way there. So as we go through it, we show them what I go on. You know. Brother over there, so I get some behind the scenes and them things. I show them and you know them vibes there. I don't know if you see the Instagram post when they make about the heat. I'm on it. It's wicked. This is an outfit. I don't know if you can see good. Is it? I'm dead. Alright people, we are getting ready up now. Me and my outfit. I'm gonna shoot the first couple of scenes. At daytime. So we shoot some daytime scenes and then we get it. I shoot all over the place, but you don't know the thing. We get ready. Everything live. And I could do this now? Yeah. They do that already, you know, but I have to do it for film camera, you see me, so. I know them thing they go? Alright, cool. We got equipment, technologies all over the place, you know, all kinds of equipment. Prop box, microphones, tripods for light. Crew. I think it's gonna be a 6-person crew today. Basically it's a one-man shoot, you know. Basically. You know, like I Am Legend with Will Smith. I compare myself to that man, the dog. Shut up, my brother. Shut up, please. Yeah, so it's basically a one-man shoot. Now I see a couple other people, you know, but that type of vibe there. Please shoot.
Audio. Alright, camera rolling, audio, roll. And action. Ready? Come on, Alright. And rolling. Action.
Alright, we'll take a mini intermission. It's away, man. Mini intermission, yeah. Setup still a going. We just shoot a couple scenes. Hopefully, wanna see that. I joke, man. Hopefully you wanna see what I'm going, cause I see this supposed to operate the camera, isn't it?
None of that now. None of that now, for sure. For sure about that.
I know that. Still more camera setup. I'll go over there to go work. Work with in a coats. I don't know, stagings. But I'm showing you a little rig when I set up for charge my phone. And I probably have to see it in a film. It actually work for real. You see me? But you know if you do them like a thing, you know, I did do electrical and them something in high school. So Harrison, big up yourself, yeah, man. A little knowledge over the retain, it kind of come back. Somebody have on my gloves and them thing there, sir. You know what I mean? Never saw someone me I work with. Let me show you. In a plug up right now, but see battery, yeah? Positive, negative. Get a charger port and plug in. Now over this I lose my sense. I don't cry, I cry, I sweat. Sweat I running out of my face. We're currently there on a little pause because I don't know if I see what I go on, but we're in a fall, isn't it? So we have to hold off. We just got a little lunch delivered to us. You know. So I guess probably lunchtime then. And I cry, because I'm telling you, I sweat. It's a hard job. It's a very difficult job, okay? Hold up. Hold it. Take a little break. Get lunch. And then I think we're going to shoot the scenes then the inside. Because, you know, I think we get most of everything that is outside already. So. And it's inside and then it's supposed to be done. If the rain allows for it. I think we have one more scene outside. One more, maybe one more.
Yeah. Just watch your foot. You can't pay for it.
Alright, mad.
Alright, so you know what we are talking about. So what is your Solace? That's one of the questions.
Start with Solace.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll phrase the question You're not recording the question though, right, babe?
No, it's just...
Okay. Alright, so Solace, you're not looking at me though, you're looking at Dylan. I'm not talking to you, Dylan.
I'm looking at you, I'm not looking at Dylan. Oh.
If you can do both, then that works. Alright, Solace, short film.
Right.
You're the star. How did you prepare for this role?
So, your answer now?
He's going to answer no.
My answer?
You're going to answer
Oh, me not feel up on him.
Yeah. Alright, I mean...
Confusing, no. Okay. Alright, what you say now? Solace.
Yeah.
Stand by.
Probably I start thinking about boat and canoe and all them something.
Alright, let's go. Would I say in preparing for the role? Or you're not role?
So you have to start in whatever you have to start. So in preparing for the role,
yeah, because we're not here.
Because we not hear the question.
Oh.
But that's what he did.
Answer it like
the infection there, or the start there, that can't cut with nothing. The tone that can't cut with nothing.
Oh, okay.
Or if I Rick said something before,
Say Plaza. Alright, come in. In preparing for the role for Solace, I don't know. I think I just read through the script and kind of put myself in the mind frame of the character Jeffrey. What would Jeffrey be doing? What's Jeffrey's mindset in terms of how he view life and them thing there? That's where I put myself. I remember this thing from theatre arts class back in Manchester High School, where you kind of develop certain idiosyncrasies of the character, And Jeffrey seemed to me a man. And then our bag of talking, him just focus on whatever I'm do. And them try to keep it together.